Hi, I'm at the Snowman factory. Happy Easter. Just wanted to take you on a little tour. Jack Frost has left the building for sure. So, here we are, Jacqueline Kent. What's new? All kinds of little pins with stars, angels, clips for your hair, glamorous. Soy candles from our First Nations. Everyone loved them at Christmas. We have new fragrances for Easter and spring. Soaps. What girl doesn't love soaps? Pretty soaps. And little bunnies sitting on their cake plates. Wreaths, the most beautiful, soft colors of spring. And what would Easter be without a bunny? And his little mates, the frogs, and the solar pieces for outside, which we'll be able to do shortly. Bird cages and Easter eggs and Easter bunnies. This guy's had too much wine. Beautiful flowers, pink candles, birds' nests. And what bunny with a carriage? Who wouldn't love that? Bicycles are hot. Bicycles on pictures, bicycles on cushions, bicycles on clocks, bicycles on the wall that can go for Christmas as well as Easter and probably fall as well. And flowers and bumblebees. You can plant your pansies. So there's all kinds of wonderful things here. And if you're really desperate for Christmas, there's a little room that's 50% off, so you can find lots of bargains. Hope to see you soon in the Christmas room and in the Easter.